What is contained in Title I of the CCR? California Code of Regulations, otherwise referred to as the CCR, has 27 titles. Title I obviously is one of them. And Title I is called General Provisions, and it contains three separate divisions. There are also numerous chapters and articles containing regulatory sections or individual regulations. So here's a broad overview of California Code of Regulations, CCR Title I. Division 1 is the Office of Administrative Law. Chapter 1 is the review of proposed regulations. Article 1 is chapter definitions with one section. Article 2 is criteria applied in the review of proposed regulations, which has 28 sections and Appendix A. Article 3 is on procedures for regulatory determinations that has 9 sections. Article 4 has the official version of the California Code of Regulations with one section. Chapter 2 is on underground regulations with 4 sections. Division 2 deals with the Office of Administrative Hearings. In Chapter 1, it's general APA hearing procedures with 28 sections. Chapter 2 is on special hearing procedures. Article 1 is on state agency reports and forms appeal procedure with 8 sections. Article 2, appeal procedure for child care and development contract disputes with 7 sections. Article 3, appeal procedure for direct service contract disputes between private, nonprofit human service organizations and health and welfare agency and its component departments with 9 sections. Chapter 3, Agency Alternatives for Formal Hearings, Alternative Dispute Resolution is the topic. In Article 1, General Provisions with 6 sections. Article 2, Mediation with 10 sections. Article 3, Arbitration with 14 sections. And Article 4, Model Regulations for Declaratory Decisions with 16 sections. In Chapter 4, we have the arbitration of claims under the State Contract Act contracts. Article 1 is general provisions, 7 sections. Article 2, the Office of Administrative Hearings with 6 sections. Article 3, the selection of an arbitrator, 5 sections. Article 4, the authority of the arbitrator with 6 sections. Article 5, simplified claims procedure with 8 sections. Article 6 on pleadings with 8 sections. Article 7 on discovery and motions with 10 sections. Article 8 on default with 10 sections. Article 9 on hearings with 10 sections. Article 10 on decisions and award with 4 sections. Article 11 on certification of arbitrators by the Public Works Contract Arbitration Committee with 2 sections. Chapter 5 with the procedures for conducting protests under the Alternative Protest Pilot Project. This has Article 1, General Provisions with 3 sections, Article 2 on protest procedure with 7 sections, and Article 3 on arbitration procedure with 12 sections. And finally, Division 3 is on the Department of Finance. Chapter 1 deals with standardized regulatory impact assessment for major regulations with 5 sections. So Title I contains 234 individual regulation sections.